box. This is a thing that I ordered. Fun fact. So, yeah, it's like Christmas all over again. So the person who shipped me this used coffee creamers or something. Always cut away from yourself. Learn that the hard way. Also, put your knife down if you're just filming. Here it is. Here it is. I can go over it. It's totally not a boxcar. Okay? It's totally not. Totally is a boxcar. Yeah, it's an old Lionel something era boxcar. I'll put whatever it is on screen right like now or something. It's new old stuff, okay? So it's not gonna be in. It's definitely gonna need some good old TLC, but you know, it's something. And I bought this because number one, from New York, and number two, I totally don't own two of them in HO scale. Totally not. Definitely not two of them. Yeah, anyways, subscribe.